you till morning.
Wow, guys, can you see the catfish? Like seriously, I didn't even know that this is gonna turn out like this. But I'm kind of surprised because I've been doing it in oven, but I said today let me just do it like a correct smoked, and it came out very good. You know, last time I bought this catfish, one of this one, because this is the biggest one, or the other one, I bought it like 10 euros. But today we bought this like the carton, we bought it like 16 euro night, now that is 17 euros. And now look at it, guys, just count it. This is like 6 pieces. If you 10 euros 6 pieces, then 60 euro, but while I bought it like 17 euros, that is a lot of gain, guys. It's like I will start selling fish here in Germany, to be honest. What do you people think? Oh my god. Don't mind me, I'm just joking. But it's a lucrative business. It's a good business though. If I mean it that I can do it, I can do it. Even if it's 77 euro, it's still there is still gain on it, you know, when I bought it like 17 euros. So I'm so impressed for the outcome. I'm so impressed. Yeah. Right now I'll be going inside, and then because I was cooking rice, so I'll be showing you guys the rice I'm cooking. Okay, yeah. So guys, as you can see, our rice is ready. Our jollof rice, this one is really smoked Nigeria rice, guys. Wow, guys, just say, like this rice that I bought last is so long. Wow, this is a president. They call it president. I don't even know why they call it. So the name of the rice, they call it president, in case if you want to buy it in Afro shop, like African shop. Here in Germany, the one they normally bring is basmati, and as well as this president. They have as in different types of rice there. It was last year that I bought this president last. Since then I've been using basmati rice. Last time when our rice got finished, so we wanted to buy another one. So I saw this president. I said, it had been a long time, let me just try it out. But it's like they just rebranded, guy. Look at, it's so long. Wow. Our Nigeria smoked jollof rice is ready. So I'm going to dish it out for everybody. Yeah.
Next morning.
My husband is saying that I have to take it easy because I should know that I'm a mother of 5. Like seriously, did I look like a mother of 5? Guys, just check me out. Oh my god. That is by the way, guys. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my vlog. Thank you so much for clicking in today again. So yesterday I couldn't continue the vlog because my baby was disturbing. I have to take care of him. Guys, that not be easy, but we give God all the glory. So God have been doing it. Yeah, even last night I did not sleep, but this morning I'm still strong. I'm still, you know, that energy is still there despite I did not sleep last night. So that is the work of God, guys. Yes. That fish yesterday, so I took one as well as stock fish with other fish and crayfish. I used it with with all that, also all those stuff. If you are Igbo, you know what I'm talking. If you are from Nigeria anyway, if you are from Nigeria, you know what all those spices, guys. I use it to do like pepper soup, yeah, dry fish pepper soup, guys. It was super like it. Since I came back from hospital, I've been cooking something like that, and it has been helping me. Like my stomach is going down like so fast. So I just finished eating my food right now. There is this thing that I just received, my packet that I just received this morning. I need to quickly do that before this boy wakes up here. I'll quickly go outside now and I bring the package and I'll bust it on with you guys. So here is the package from Amazon. So let's go ahead and bust it and see what is here. Oh my God. Hey God, who said this white tea is easy? Like, who said it's easy? My God. Guys, can you imagine that I have been talking like this is almost like 20 minutes now, and I didn't realize that I did not press record on my camera. Oh my Jesus. Hey, have something like this happened to you before? If it is a sit-down video, I would say it's okay. You can do that like next time, or you can even do it like immediately, you know, do the video like immediately again. Like if it's unboxing, that is where the problem is, because I have already bring out everything out. I have already said whatever that I want to say. I've already showed you guys like everything. It was later that I realized that I did not record anything. Like seriously, oh my God. Devil is a liar, like devil is a liar. So notwithstanding, it was electric breast pump that was there, because this breast pump I really need it, because sometimes I'll be so busy, to breastfeed my baby. But if my husband is there or Blessing is there, which is my first daughter, they can easily help me and feed the baby. I was here talking before, showing you guys, but I didn't even know because I've already fixed it. So the thing just come like this, as you can see. So I only need to put it in this machine, then put it here. Let me show you guys. Then when I put it here, I'll just press it, and then it will on. Then this is 10. I can reduce it here if it's too much for me, or I can increase it here. This is how the breast pump looks like. It's very handy. It's very easy to operate. Yeah. So before I use it, I will definitely wash it, sterilize it, and before use. Yeah. That is the first item that was there. So the second one was, I was so excited, show you guys everything about this popcorn maker. This is from Yabono. So according to the review I saw online, they say it's very nice. So we didn't need this, especially now that winter is coming, because most of the time, because of bad weather, we cannot always take in kids outside. So I think this is gonna keep us busy. This popcorn machine is going to keep us busy here in the house. So let's go ahead and check this out and see if it really does what they say it's gonna do. I'm done cleaning the popcorn maker. Right now I have my sugar here. It's a vegetable oil that I'm going to be using, and then this is my corn. First of all, because I want it to be a little bit sweet because of the kids, so I will go ahead and put a little bit peanut oil here. This one here is okay, and then I'll go ahead and put the sugar. I don't really know the amount of sugar that I need to put, but let me just put little ones, because this is the first time trying it with this machine. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put my corn. So I think this one is enough. So let's put this one aside, and then go ahead and close it. I'll now put the cable. So this is the on. Let's see. Okay. I don't know whether the corn I put here is made, but let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh my god, guys, can you see it? The thing is really working like perfectly good. Only thing I have to have patience because I was thinking that immediately put it, the popcorn start popping, but it takes like almost like 5 minutes before it start popping up. Yeah, you have to have patience. It's not going to as in start popping the popcorn like immediately. You need to have a little patience. So right now I think it's ready. I'm going to remove it. So guys, look at it. The thing really worked like perfectly good. And another thing is that it's like I leave it like so long. It's supposed to be maximum like 5 minutes or thereabouts, but I leave it a little bit, but it's still okay. This is first attempt trying to do popcorn on this machine. So the first attempt is not bad, guys. I really love it. It's worth the price as well. No, forgive me.
Yep. It's so sweet. It's so sweet. One by one. How many popcorns did you even make? Oh, tell me. This looks like more than 100. Yeah, it's good. I want the first one to cook them. But Mommy, from where did you get the mice? Yeah.
I bought it in an African shop. This is the remaining fish because I said before that I took one and I used it to do like a dry fish pepper soup, okay? For swallow, yeah. So what I will do now, I will go ahead and put them in the, because I'm supposed to put it in a Ziploc, but I don't have. I'm going to use this one like that to store it in a freezer, yeah. And tied it like this, and then I put it in the freezer. I can hear my baby shouting up. Okay, I'll go ahead now. I'm going to take care of him, and it's like I have to end this vlog here, guys. So next time we're going to continue again. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you so much for your like, your comments, your sharing. Like, you guys are amazing. Not take you guys for granted. May God bless every one of you. Till next time, guys, remain blessed. Bye.